Harrison takes a shot. In behind the net, puck control. To Harrison. He shoots, he scores! The Hurricanes' goal, as you take a look at it again, that's going to be on a deflection after that shot came from the point.
Well, that is full use of the expanse of the offensive zone. They had the puck down low, then up high, then found the guy in the middle.
To Jokinen. Shoots on the open net. Score! An empty net goal. Wasn't going to waste any time on that goal, Bill.
No, he drilled it even from a long distance. This guy can go deep.